Assalamu alaikum family, welcome back to another video. Hope you all are well. It's your sister Zainab here if you're new to my channel, and for my returning, thank you guys so much for coming back and watch my content. I really appreciate. So today I'm showing you guys how to make beef biryani, which is very simple way. It's not complicated at all. If you think you love biryani and you can make, this video is for you. We're going to make this biryani in 3 simple steps, so stay tuned for this one. So first step is to boil meat, and you don't just boil meat, you add some spices. So the meat is 400 gram, and these are spices which we're gonna add in the meat, and also we're gonna add some water to boil the meat until it's tender. So I write down the names of all the spices which we're going to add in the meat. So guys, I made this video 2 years ago and I uploaded on YouTube. After some times I got copyright, so I decided to re-upload again same video without music, because I think is the sound which I put in my video, the music which I placed in this video, which made the whole week copyrighted. So yeah, I decided to remove that and re-upload again. Okay guys, enough about that. Back to the video. So here I just add just a little bit of water, not too much, because we don't want this water to be left too much. Okay, so I put the meat to boil for 15 minutes or until the meat is tender. So in meanwhile, we're going to soak the rice. For biryani, you need a basmati rice for best result. Not tasty not tasty rice, guys. Basmati rice is the best rice for biryani. Okay, so I just wash the rice and I'm going to soak it yeah, until I need. Okay, the meat is done. Now I'm going to strain it, and I'm not going to throw this water, okay? I'm straining and I'll put that aside. I will need in the biryani sauce, because now we're going to prepare biryani sauce. So in the pot, I add some oil and two medium onions. I'm going to fry the onion until it's light golden, just like so. Now add the tomatoes. This is a two large tomatoes, 2 or 3, depend how big your tomato are. Okay, so these are spices which I'm gonna use to add in the sauce. I write all the names, guys. I write the names there. You can, pause the video and check nicely the names of the spice if you maybe you want to try out. Yeah, so I add my potato there. If you want to add your potato, go ahead, add potatoes. So I add that water which I strained from the meat and fry. Add some it's a half cup of yogurt to make the sauce even more thicker. Yeah, and this is how it should look like. The sauce when it's done have to look like that. And in other pot I'm adding water, salt, bay leaves, and these are other seeds. And also if you have like what do you call it, in this water, guys, it was short. Other stuff I didn't have. You have to add cumin seeds, you have to add cinnamon sticks as well when you're boiling the rice. Okay, so I'm going to cook the rice until it's like 80% done. 8% done, not 100%. Okay, because we still have to give steam, so you don't overcook the rice. Just cook until it's like 80% done. Okay, when you break it, must be like 2 3 pieces coming out, not completely mashed. Okay, so I strained the rice and set aside, and now I'm going to prepare my food color. We need food color in biryani. Okay, this is egg yellow color, so I'm adding some water because I'm using the powder one. I'm adding some water. I'm going to mix and set that aside, and come last step. Okay, like I said, just 3 simple steps to make biryani. It's very simple, guys, very simple. So yeah, now you have to bring the pot I mean, let me show you other things. We need lemon, we need the fresh coriander first. Set that aside. Our meat is here, and in the pot which we boiled the rice, we're going to add some rice and the bottom of the pot, just a little bit of rice, and then we're going to add the sauce, the biryani sauce. First the color, just a bit of color, and then we're going to add the sauce. Okay, not all at once. A bit of sauce with some potatoes, and then we're gonna add few pieces of meat, not all at once, few pieces of meat. Add some fresh coriander, add some piece of lemon also after adding fresh coriander. Okay guys, that part I don't know why I did not show, but after adding the fresh coriander, you have to add also lemon pieces. So you repeat steps until your rice is finished, until everything is finished, like sauce and the meat and the rice. Okay, just keep repeating the steps, and yeah. Now we're going to steam the rice. We need very low flame to steam the rice. Okay, you have to be careful. You're not gonna burn your rice, so you have to make sure the flame is very low. Yeah, so we're going to steam the rice for about 20 minutes. It depends how big your pot is. My pot was like, no, medium, so I steamed for 20 minutes. After 20 minutes, voila, the biryani is ready. It's ready. Hope you find this video helpful. If you do try, just let me know, guys. Okay, yeah, I'll end my video right here. Thank you all for watching. I'll see you in my next upload. Take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.